How to get and use a fentanyl test strip. Jane wants to have a fun, safe time at her party tonight, so she decides to get some fentanyl test strips from Student Health Services. From the CSUCI website, she searches for Student Health Services and selects their page. She selects the free naloxone and fentanyl test strips, and then she clicks the request free naloxone and fentanyl test strips at the bottom and begins to fill out the form. She watches a short 10-minute how-to video that instructs her on how to potentially save a life with naloxone. She then carefully enters her student information into the boxes for the staff at Student Health Services to review. And following that, she selects fentanyl test strips under the I am requesting the following. She then does a quick signature, and it's time to pick them up. Jane pays a visit to Yuba Hall, which is directly left of the library. She knows that just a speck of fentanyl could kill you, and that the opioid epidemic is a real threat to college students, so she decides it's best to be safe and protect herself and her friends. Once inside Yuba Hall, she is greeted by the SHS staff, who check Jane's ID to verify she is the same person that placed the order. And just like that, she has the kit and she's done. How to use a fentanyl test strip. First, it's important to check the expiration date. An expired test could give false results. The kit provides instructions set in 6 steps. You need 3 items to perform the test: water, your test kit, and a substance. Today, our test substance will be Splenda. Inside the test kit, we have a spoon, test strip, guide, and water reservoir. The guide is available in both English and Spanish and includes facts about fentanyl, safety instructions, and more. Next, you'll detach the water reservoir from the rest of the package. You're going to want to fill it up with water for the purpose of eventually scooping your substance into the package. It's best to crush up the powder before adding the scoops. The level at which you fill it corresponds to how many scoops of substance you'll need to add. In this case, the water was filled till the level 4 line, so we will add 4 scoops of Splenda. After that, you'll want to hold the strip at the correct end and hold the other end in the water for 10 seconds. After removing, it's important to make sure to lay the strip on a flat surface for accurate results and wait 5 minutes for the results to show up. After 5 minutes of waiting, compare the test strip to the results section on the back of the kit. Look at that, we are negative for fentanyl. Thank you so much for watching and be safe.